Are you looking for the best Chinese drones under $200? In this video we will look at some of the best Chinese drones under $200 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. T01 Mini Drone. T01 Mini Drone with 4K high-definition camera, 4.5-inch touch-screen global positioning system, obstacle avoidance, brushless motor, folding quadcopter for photography awakens a quiet thrill that feels deeply personal. Lifting gently into open air, it carries curiosity beyond daily noise, offering moments of calm freedom where thoughts feel lighter. Flight becomes an emotional pause, helping minds release pressure while discovering beauty hidden above familiar ground. Aerial movement inspires confidence and wonder, turning ordinary surroundings into meaningful scenes. Watching landscapes glide below encourages reflection, creativity, inner balance. Every journey feels intentional, guided by focus rather than rush. Capturing views feels like saving feelings, not images, creating memories shaped by perspective and emotion. Outdoor moments gain depth as silence blends with motion and light. Real-time viewing builds presence, making each second feel alive and connected. Sharing captured scenes strengthens bonds, creating pride, joy, inspiration among family, friends, storytellers. Exploration becomes a shared experience filled with excitement and calm satisfaction. Foldable form supports spontaneous adventure, encouraging travel without hesitation. Control feels reassuring, allowing beginners to feel safe while nurturing curiosity and patience. Movement remains smooth, supporting relaxed exploration rather than tension. Sessions end with clarity, happiness, gentle accomplishment. This drone speaks to dreamers, creators, travelers seeking emotional release through flight. It represents freedom, imagination, self-trust, mindful enjoyment. Choosing this experience means choosing perspective, confidence, meaningful discovery, memories shaped by skyward journeys that continue, inspiring long after landing returns attention gently back to Earth. Number 2. Xiaomi Mijia A1R 3S GPS Drone. Xiaomi Mijia A1R 3S Global Positioning System Drone, new with 8K professional high-definition camera, Wi-Fi 5G, brushless foldable quadcopter, remote control drone, gives open space for wonder within everyday life. Gentle flight lifts curiosity beyond routine, allowing minds to breathe freely while horizons expand slowly. Each ascent feels calming, creating emotional distance from stress and noise. Aerial exploration inspires confidence, creativity, quiet joy. Watching familiar places from above brings fresh meaning, helping imagination awaken naturally. Moments feel intentional, balanced, deeply satisfying. Capturing scenes feels like holding emotions rather than images, preserving feelings worth sharing. Outdoor experiences gain depth as open air blends with motion and light. Real-time viewing strengthens presence, making time feel slower and richer. Shared moments create pride, connection, happiness among loved ones. Number 3. Xiaomi V198MAX GPS Drone. Xiaomi V198MAX Global Positioning System Drone, 8K professional camera, aerial first-person view, brush laser obstacle, large screen remote control drone, awakens deep emotion through skybound exploration. Gentle ascent releases mental weight, inviting calm curiosity while surroundings drift quietly below. Airborne moments feel freeing, allowing perspective shift that refreshes spirit, restores balance, inspires imagination. Watching Earth unfold from above nurtures mindfulness, confidence, wonder. Streets resemble art, landscapes appear poetic, horizons feel endless. Each glide carries reassurance, replacing tension with focused joy. Captured visuals feel like preserved feelings, not recordings, shaping memories filled with pride, serenity, meaning. Open environments gain magic as motion blends with silence, light, breeze. Real-time viewing strengthens presence, making seconds feel richer, slower, intentional. Sharing experiences builds closeness, admiration, shared happiness among companions. Creative expression flows naturally, guided by peaceful concentration rather than urgency. Compact structure supports spontaneous travel, encouraging adventure wherever curiosity leads. Control interaction feels intuitive, reducing worry while increasing trust. Smooth movement supports relaxed exploration, helping beginners feel capable, explorers feel inspired. Sessions conclude with quiet satisfaction and emotional clarity. This drone speaks to travelers, storytellers, artists, dreamers seeking emotional release through aerial vision. It represents freedom, creativity, perspective, self-belief. Choosing this experience means welcoming inspiration, calm strength, meaningful discovery, heartfelt connection shaped by skyward journeys that continue resonating long after landing gently returns attention toward Earth.